Okay. Yeah. What a day. So here's the world weather, and I just lost my parrot yesterday. Not feeling too good about it. But here's the world weather. Yeah, I just turned 60, but I'm still not doing too bad. I just had one thing to say. Okay, here's the weather. Yeah, I just did a karaoke. I got something off my chest. North and Central America, New York, 33, LA, 38, jeez. They're going to be burning. Here's South America. This is where my bird hailed from. His progeny came from Bolivia, the Pantanal. Africa, yeah. I've been to all the major dive destinations of the world. I set out to conquer that in my 20s, but there's only one place I want to go to, if I can, and that's the Seychelles, Mauritius, and Madagascar. Australia, no. The reefs are dying. I got married in Fiji, in Suva, Papeete, Tahiti, yeah, okay, I've been there. Yeah, Indonesia last year, I was there. I'm not rich, I just saved my money. Dubai, 42, geez, Singapore. I was invited to go to Singapore with a woman, but I just didn't understand her. Rome, 38 in Rome? Are you serious? Wow. Water temperatures, yes. Well, the warmest water temperatures are in the Caribbean or the Indian Ocean. Okay. Oh, Jesus. North America looks pretty grim. I don't think I would go to Brazil, but I like their songs. I like their music. But too much crime. Just like here. Yeah, I know people from Nigeria, Lagos, Kinshasa. I hear Perth is a very beautiful city. Middle East. Iran. Yeah. There's always rain over England. No wonder all of my England friends travel to Canada to come over here. I never went to Europe. I had no interest in Europe. I was only interested in the South Pacific or the Caribbean. Yeah, my neighbor, he's been to Panama. That would be interesting. taught my children well. I taught my children well how to be lifeguards and Spanish. Yeah, they've been to a lot of places. I went to Costa Rica after they went there just to see what they saw. But nobody talks anymore. Let's put it around the round table and chat. Why can't we do that? I went to Indonesia last year. After I was diagnosed with cancer, I couldn't even walk. But I figured it out. And as soon as I figured it out, I climbed the volcanoes. Alone. I invited a few, but they got fired from their jobs. So be it. Well, I don't know. Mahe. Oh, that's, where's Mahe? Well, I've been to Cuba, I've been to Trinidad and Tobago. Was beautiful. I always wished that I would return back to Trinidad and Tobago. I was there in 1994, before my children were born. And, that didn't happen either. But I played racquetball with a guy from Buenos Aires, Argentina, and he was a world master, and I beat him. I couldn't believe it. Okay, anyways, Marrakesh, 44 degrees in Marrakesh, Morocco. Yeah, if I were to go anywhere in Africa, I would go to Morocco, to the Atlas Mountains. I've been to Papeete, Tahiti, Silver Fiji, with 2 different women. Yeah, hey, I'm 60 years old. I've seen a lot. So did Harry, my stepdad. He went to Madrid and the Canary Islands and Singapore and India. I got along well with him. Even better than my own father. But, say the least.